Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. Today we're looking at a 2018 F-150 Lariat in ruby red metallic with black leather interior, seating for 5, 4 doors, 2 regular, 2 smaller, with a 6.5-foot box. This has a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine. It's also a 4x4 and has an FX4 off-road package, which includes skid plates. It also has a trailer tow package, as well as the Sport package, which has a center console. It's really easy to get into this truck. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive. Speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. There's memory for 3 drivers, as well as power folding mirrors. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar. You have your electronic parking brake, power pedals, lighting controls, LED side view mirror spotlights, grab handles in the body to make it easier to get in, and power, tilt, and telescoping steering wheel. On the face of the steering wheel, you have your dash controls, cruise control, media with volume, and sync voice activated system. When we start the vehicle, we put our foot on the brake, key in the pocket, and we push the engine start button. On the dash, you're going to see any important messages, as well as a menu you can toggle through. So you've got My View, Trip Fuel, Truck Info, Towing, Off-Road, and Settings, and these all have sub-menus. In the center, you're seeing the cubby with the B&O branding for the audio system, hill descent, traction control, hazard lights, auto stop start for less idle time. Your display screen has your sources. You can push on that, and it's AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, CD, and Bluetooth. You've also got navigation, and when you put the vehicle in reverse, this is where you're going to see your backup camera view. You can also touch on your settings and slide through for things like Wi-Fi hotspot, Apple CarPlay, so if you plug your Apple phone in with the Apple cord, you're going to see the display just like on your phone. There's your volume and tuner, and below that is your CD player. You have dual climate control for driver and passenger, as well as heated and cooled seats for driver and passenger. There's your fan in the center, front and rear defrost, as well as AC and max AC. Off to the side, 4x4 locking differential, pro trailer backup, and there is your little cubby. In the center, there's another cubby with a couple of USB outlets, and if you want to just close it up, press it in the center, and it closes right up for you. You have an automatic select shifter and drive mode, and when you press this, it'll appear on your dash, so you have normal, tow haul, snow wet, eco, sport, and then back around again with a push. A couple of cup holders, and your armrest opens up. There's a bin in there, so you just take that out. Lots of room down below, as well as a 12 volt. Off to the side, you have another 12 volt and a 110 outlet, a locking glove compartment, and up above, an auto dimming rear view mirror, universal garage door opener, as well as your lighting controls, sunglass holder, and this slides that power window in the back for you, and as well you have a dual or a single moonroof, and you just push that and get some nice fresh air. And today, blue skies. 20-inch wheels, magnetic colored cab step, body colored door handle with intelligent access, meaning when the key is in close proximity you can lock and unlock the doors. Keyless entry keypad, driver's side capless easy fuel gas filler. The body colored handle extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable. Your backup camera's just below that handle, and you have backup sensors on your bumper. There's a 4 and 7 pin connector, trailer hitch, and locking spare tire. The nice thing about this tailgate, it is powered. So when I want to open it up, simply double click your fob, and down it comes. Inside, it's nicely aligned, tie downs in all 4 corners, as well as box link. You also have a tailgate step. This makes it a lot easier to get in. And on your fob, you have remote start. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows. And I think we can all appreciate when a door opens quite wide to let in bigger items. So this one opens up 170 degrees. In the back, you have seating for 3 with a 60-40 split, and easily lift the seat up with one hand. Then to bring it back down, simply pull the clip, down it comes, and you have anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats. There's carpeted mats on the floor, and there's also an all-weather mat that goes from one end to the other. That makes for easy cleanup. Slim pockets on the back of the front seat, and in the center a couple of cup holders, 12 volt, 110 and USB outlets, as well as air vents. Up above you've got hooks and lighting, and in the back access to a power sliding window. Colored bumper, mud flap, 6.5-foot box, privacy glass in the back windows with window vents, heated and powered side view mirrors with blind spot information system, quad beam headlights, halogen fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.